Somebody sent me an email a couple of weeks ago asking about LLCs and transferring properties and their ownership from the personal name into the LLC. Just so you know, so if you have a property, let's say that you bought under with a residential loan and it's currently under your name and you're paying it out, you won't able to transfer the ownership of that property into the LLC. You could if you involved a real estate attorney and have that real estate attorney go over the mortgage paperwork to see what the clauses are. So in my experience, at least in mine, sometimes banks are okay with you transferring the deed over from your name to an LLC as long as you continue to make the payment. But I wouldn't recommend you doing it without letting the bank know or without engaging a specialist or a real estate attorney to do that. But you don't always have to feel obligated to transfer your name into an LLC if you have it under your personal name.